Hey, first graders at Hyde-Addison, it's Mr. Sievers coming to you from my home in Washington, D.C. I hope you guys are all doing well. I miss you, but I just want to let you know that even though you're at home, you guys can do a little bit of math learning from behind your computers too. So I have a few math fluency drills that I want to do with you guys. And the first one is happy counting. So I'll do a quick review of what that is. I'm going to have my finger and my thumb, or my hand and my thumb up just like this, and I'm going to say a number. And then anytime I point my thumb up like that, you're going to keep counting up. And anytime I point my thumb down, you're going to keep counting down. So if I start at 0 and I go up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. And if I go down, we're at 4, we're at 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so let's start at 0. Let's do some happy counting. You guys can do it with me at home. Ready? I'm at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. We're at 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Pause. We're at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. That was easy. That was just a warm up. Let's make it a little bit harder. Let's start at 23. Okay, we're at 23. Ready? 24. Pause. You should be at 29. 27. Pause. You should be at 18. Let's go back up. 19, 20, 21, 22. Pause. Good. Okay, we're going to do one last hard one. I'm not going to count it all. And then when I'm done, I want you to tell me through your computer. You can shout at the screen if you want what number I am on. Okay, ready? Let's start at 15. Okay, we're at 15. Pause. Okay, what number am I at? I should be at 15. Okay, good. All right, we're going to do the same thing, happy counting, except this time by 10. So if I'm at 0, anytime I go up, you're counting up by a 10. Anytime I go down, you're going down by a 10. Okay, so I'm at 0. I'll say it out loud for the first one. Ready? I'm at 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Pause. I'm at 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Pause. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Pause. I'm at 100. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. Pause. Let's go faster. I'm at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Good. Okay, the next thing I have for you guys today, you're going to need a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper, or at least something to write and draw on. I have my own marker and my own whiteboard here with me at home. If you don't have something to write on, go pause the video, go get it right now. So pause it. If you do have a piece of paper or you're back here with me now, we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, for this next activity, I'm going to draw 3 numbers on my whiteboard. With those 3 numbers, you guys need to create 4 number sentences only using those 3 numbers. I'll give you a big hint. 2 of those equations should be addition. 2 of them should be subtraction, okay? So here are your 3 numbers. How about 6, 8, and 14? 6, 8, and 14. Go ahead and write your 4 number sentences using those 3 numbers. Okay, I'm done. If you need a little bit more time, pause the video and finish up. But your number sentences should look exactly like mine. They can be in different order, but you should have the same 4 number sentences that I do on here. Okay, you have 6 plus 8 equals 14. And if 6 plus 8 equals 14, then that means that 8 plus 6 equals 14. All right, then we move to subtraction. With subtraction, you always start with the biggest number, and that's this 14. Okay, so 14 take away 8 equals 6, and then 14 take away 6 equals 8. Awesome. Let's do one more. Okay. Because when you guys were back in school a few weeks ago, we were learning a lot about tens and ones. We're going to do one involving adding and subtracting tens. So let's have the numbers. How about 50? Sorry, my marker's squeaking. How about 80 and 30, okay? So 50, 80, and 30. Go ahead and draw 4 or write 4 number equations, number sentences with those 3 numbers. Go ahead. Okay, I'm done, and I'm going to show you my board. If you're not done quite yet, that's fine. Just pause it, take your time, finish it, and then restart or press play on the video when you're ready. Okay, my 4 number sentences look like this. The first one, I have 50 plus 30 equals 80. And we know that if 50 plus 30 equals 80, then 30 plus 50 equals 80. So 50 plus 30 equals 80, then 30 plus 50 equals 80. Second one, for subtraction, we have to start with the biggest number, and that's 80. 80 is the greatest number in this equation. 80 take away 30 equals 50, and then 80 take away 50 equals 30. Awesome. Go ahead and erase your boards if you're using a whiteboard. If not, you can flip it over to the back or get a new piece of paper, because now we're going to do some fluency work with quick tens, okay? If you need to get another piece of paper or take a quick break, you can pause the video and then just start it when you are ready. And we're going to start the next activity in 3, 2, 1, and 0. For this activity, I am going to write a number, a 2-digit number on my whiteboard. Then I'm going to draw quick tens and ones to go with that number. So for an example, say I write the number 32, okay? 32. I know that the number 32 is a 30 and a 2. And I know that a 30 is 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to draw 3 tens underneath my 30. I also know that 32 has 3 tens and then 2 ones. So I'm going to draw 2 ones under the 2. Just like that. That's all you need to do. I drew my quick tens, okay? So the first number I want you guys to do by yourselves. How about the number 48? Okay, go ahead and draw 48 in quick tens. I'm going to do it real quick. Again, my marker's squeaking a lot. I'm done. Pause your video if you need more time. But here's my 48 in tens and ones. I know that 40 is 4 tens, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. And I know that 48 has 8 ones, so that's why I have 8 ones right here. And I even do them in a little 5 group. I did 5 ones and then 3 ones right next to it. So that's 48. That's all you need to do, okay? Now, let's make it a little bit more challenging. We're going to do an addition equation using quick tens, okay? So, say I had the number equation. I'm going to use my green marker. It's working a little bit better. Say I had the number equation, I don't know, 22. I don't like how I wrote that. 22 plus 35 equals. That seems hard, guys. Those are big numbers to add, and we definitely are going to have a tough time doing that, right? Well, maybe not, because we can use quick tens, all right? I'm going to show you how to do this first one. If you want to go ahead and do it by yourself, you can go ahead and pause the video and do it by yourself and see how I do it. 22. I know that 22 has 2 tens and 2 ones. So I'm going to draw 2 tens here and then 2 ones for my 22. All right? I know that 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. So for 30, I'm going to draw my 3 tens and then 5 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, I still need to add these together. When I add them, I'm going to add the tens first and then the ones. So I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. I know that 5 tens is 50. I can also count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50. Okay? But I need to add the ones still. Let's add the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So I know that I have 50 plus 7 ones. 50 and 7 equals 57. And then that 57 goes right up here. And so that I know that 22 plus 35 equals 57. Okay? Let's do one last one. How about 41 plus 16. 41 plus 16 equals. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and try to do it on your own. And then I'm going to do it for you here. Okay, I have 41 plus 16. I'm counting my tens up first. I get 50. I'm counting my ones up, and I get 7. And I have the same equation I had as last time. 50 plus 7 equals 57. I draw my arrow up, just like that. And then I know that 41 plus 16 also equals 57. How about that? All right, guys, that's your day 1 fluency. These are different equations that you guys can do at home every day. You can ask your parents to give you 2-digit addition equations. The next time we're going to go over subtraction. Also with your parents, guys, that happy counting by ones or tens, or if you want to do 5s or 2s, that's totally fine. That's something that you guys can do at home with your brothers, sisters, or your parents. You can even try to trick them and go extra fast, or go by 3s or 4s if you're feeling really ambitious. But it is super important to do some of this math every day, and I know a lot of you guys are already doing that at home. Once again, I miss you guys. I miss being in school. It's super weird being at home, trying to do this for you over the computer screen. But keep up the good work. I'm seeing what you guys are doing in Zern and Lexia and everything right now, and it's really, really impressive. So keep up the good work. Hi, everyone. Miss you. You guys have a good day, okay? Bye-bye.